Good morning and welcome to Coffee with CREN. Today's tip is going to be on your market monitor. So in case you didn't know, your market monitor is right here on the left-hand side of your Paragon. Notice how it's defaulted automatically to just the market. And then your days here is automatically defaulting to 1 day. So you're only getting notifications from the last 24 hours. So to change this, you're going to go here to customize market monitor. And I wouldn't really focus on class or type just because less is more in this situation. I would focus more on your areas, and you can choose your default section. So when we first opened it up, it's already defaulted on market, but you can change it to whatever benefits you. Your office info, my info, your firm, your team. And I always recommend to set the default days back to 7, so you're getting notifications from the past 7 days. To check out your results for new listings, you just press on the number next to it and it'll take you to all your listings. Thank you so much for watching Coffee with CREN, and we'll see you next time.